Oh, this is a little finger trap, this thing.
Wow, I absolutely love it.
Ah, that's good.
I mean, I couldn't have imagined it being any better than this. I thought it was going to be good, but I mean, this is fantastic, isn't it?
I mean, as long as we can replicate all of this on the other 98 square meters, then yeah, it's going to be good, right?
Yeah, I love it. I really love that effect. It's kind of what I was after.
You guys are probably wondering what that is. That's when I first turned it on and it kind of like I went very, very slow. As per the videos on YouTube, everyone said go very, very slow, and it did that. So sometimes don't go slow right at the beginning, like go fast and then dial it in from there, I would say.
But this bit will be hidden under the stairs, won't
Yes,
it? So it's
yep,
going to be
yep.
okay.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
where the quarter landing will be, right there basically.
I mean, I know it was quite stressful when the pour didn't go quite the way we expected, but I mean, if this is going to be the result, I love it more.
Quite serendipitous.
Indeed.
Yes.
Indeed.
Cool. Okay, love. Thank you very much. Hel's just bought the microphones because I'm a doofus. So we are going to now butcher yesterday's dead Hoover. Pete has sent me a video this morning, basically to make a cyclone to dump all of the dust into there. Thank you for your service. That Hoover is older than Charlie. So now it's just going to be a cyclone bin for the rest of its days. So
Still useful.
yeah, not going to go in landfill. So that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I'll let you go.
See you later.
Bye.
Just to stop it.
Falling out.
Yes. Let's see if you have some suction there.
Yeah. I've got to put you guys down. It's quite important.
Can you feel it?
I mean, I can feel it. It's not amazing, but I don't know what it felt like before, so...
Yes. Okay, so finger crossed.
Yeah, so all we can do is hope for the best. Right, are you ready, pal?
No,
What do you need?
you know what I need.
He needs a Werther's Original. We are not sponsored by Werther's Original.
So what do you reckon we go like that a couple of times? Yeah. Ready?
we plug it directly on the main.
Sure, but probably sensible to just check that there isn't something crazy going on in here.
Okay, try to turn it. Yes.
It's definitely not overheated.
No. And the main has a breaker, so it will break if we have any issue.
Yeah, right, we'll do that, mate.
Okay, I can get my.
It was starting to actually
Yeah.
take some aggregate up, but yeah, some rugged old pitting going on around here. So. Yeah, so we'll just,
Yeah.
yeah, this was like the first go at it, and like I said, we've hit a stumbling block, but oh man, it's dusted up. Look at the,
Yeah.
yeah, it's, everything's going to be coated. Yeah, it's not optimal having, that's the old Hoover and we've dug a hole into the side of it. So I can take that. It's like, you know, that's like a little jobby, so yeah, we could do with a much more powerful one and we'd get rid of nearly all the dust and blah blah blah, but anyway.
Do you want me to go and get the one in Palm?
No. It's not like it's slowing us down, it's just making a more mess.
Yeah.
Well, it's got that. Yeah. Yeah, Christian's just rewiring it.